Hello and welcome to MB Tech. My name is Matthew Bingham, and this is another day of Docker. This is day 5 of 12 days of Docker. This will be installing the Sterling PDF, which is basically just a way to modify and access PDF files. You can split them. You can do all sorts of different things with them. Very similar to Adobe, but this is a free version that works very well. So first off, we will log into our system that we've set up the containers on previously. We will do a make directory Sterling. Next, we'll change into the Sterling directory, and then we'll do a nano compose.yaml. Next, we'll cut and paste the compose file in there, and we will save that. And then we'll follow that with our standard Docker compose up-d. That has completed downloading the image and setting it up. So next is to do a Docker compose logs. And as we can see, it looks like it is all up and running. So now all we need to do is go to the IP address and then that port, which is 8080. And here we are. We're at the login. This here is just a login with the admin in Sterling. It has it right there. Hit login, and you can say yes or no to this. And here you need to set up your own password. And here they just have the welcome to Sterling, where you can go through this real quick. So here you are. You can do your merge, compose, all sorts of different things within Sterling PDF. I hope you enjoyed that. That was installing Sterling PDF. This is day 5 of Docker. If you would, please like and subscribe, and have a great rest of the night.